Hi. There's been question as to whether you can put a non, how do we put this? A hard drive that wasn't made for the laptop that you're using into it. Question has come up in that they look differently and therefore do not fit. So I am going to show you exactly how to make that happen. Okay, the first thing you need to do is remove the battery, because we don't ever want to use the battery, work on it with the battery in it. And then we're going to remove the cover for the hard drive, which shouldn't be too hard, but you know how that is. It always works out that it is. Okay, so we remove the hard drive cover, and then we pull out the hard drive. Now, as you see, it looks differently. This is the one that just came out of the laptop, and this is the one that just came in the mail from geeks.com. As you can see, they look a little different. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off the retaining frame that comes with this hard drive, and then we'll put this retaining frame onto the new hard drive and install it. It's really not that big a deal and should only take you a few moments. Okay, so there's the hard drive. That's toast. We're now going to put this onto the new hard drive. We line up the holes so that it will work. Actually, we need to make sure that it's on the same way or it won't go in correctly. And then and then we're going to tighten down the screws, and see, just a quick thing here of tightening down screws. And see, it's really not that hard. It's only a couple-minute job. It takes more time actually doing the screws than anything else. And then, so now we got the screws on, and we're going to take the hard drive and slide it right back into the slot, which is easier said than done, right? Come on, baby. Alright, take this from this angle here, and then we'll just slide it into its place here, and then we're going to take the cover, put it right back on top, press it down till it snaps, and at some point I'm going to find the first, oh, I hope I didn't lose that, the first screw. Well, it's right there, I'm an idiot. Okay, then we're going to tighten this down and put the battery back in, and presto, we're done. So I think there was something my son wanted to say to all you non-believers. Here, let me get him there.
My mother can fix computers better than you can, so if you're not down with that, I got 2 awards for you.